Mixing blocks is by the number of rows at the top of spreadsheet or number. Yan sila gumagawa na. Sa accounting. For a number of columns on the left or a spreadsheet or both. When scrolling around within the sheet, any crossing columns and rows remain in view. Oo nga, sa bagay. Gawbaga,
para bang kita mo lahat.
Figure 30 shows some rows and rows and columns. The highway are horizontal view.
Rows 3 and okay.
Rows 3
Kasi 14 agad.
14 in the highway vertical line between columns
C and H.
and H.
Ayan.
So, C.
Ibig sabihin may rows, may naka-freeze. Para naka-hide.
C and H denote the crossing areas. Kung baga may naka-hide na sa from C to H. Yeah. So, between column C and H denote the crossing areas. Rows 4 through 13, columns D through G have been scrolled off the page. The first 3 rows and columns remain because they are crossed into place. You can set a freeze point at one row, one column, or both row. The column as in figure 30. Freezing single rows or columns. 1. Click on the header, try. Right?
Walang ano. Walang naka-fill.
O yun nga lang.
Paano
On the
nito?
row below where you want the freeze of the column, right? Where you want to freeze. Choose Windows, freeze.
Window,
A
freeze.
dark line appeared indicating where the freeze is put.
Oh, may line niya.
Saan? Yan.
Para wala akong makakagawin.
Yan, placing a row in a column. Right click into the cell that is immediately below the row you want frozen immediately to the right of the column you want frozen. Choose window freeze.
Para pareho.
Sa appear for screen. Freeze na. Pag unfreeze naman, pag unfreeze rows or column, choose windows freeze. Then check mark freeze in branch. Splitting the screen. Another way to change the view is by splitting the window, also known as splitting the screen. The screen can be split horizontally, vertically, or both. You can therefore head up the focus portion of the spreadsheet and view at any one time. Why would you want to do this? Example would be a large spreadsheet in which one of the cells has a number in it that is used by 2 formulas in other cells. Using the split screen technique, you can position the cell containing the number in one section and each of the cells with formulas in each other sections. Then you can change the number in the cell and watch how it affects each of the formulas. Yeah. Ito naman yung comparison difference ng LibreOffice at sa MS Office. Karamihan ng nasa LibreOffice calculator, yung comparison ng 2 spreadsheet files, page styles, addition to the sales styles, hyphenation in cells, import photos 1 to 3 data, import 1 to row 6 data, export to XHTML, export of a single chart as an image, page, or JPEG. Open formula standard, yan, puro supported sa LibreOffice 4.1. Samantalang sa bagong version ng MS Excel, hindi supported karamihan, tapos yung isa partial lang. Tapos yung number of columns per sheet, maximum ng 1,000. Yun nga lang, maximum ng 1,000. May bug kasi, may bug ka. Ang bug mas malaki sa
Pero
Excel.
parang madami na naman yung 1,024.
Oo, marami din siya din. Sa chart style, sa interactive diagrams, pivot chart, import access database, export generic XML, puro na supported naman siya. Pero pagdating naman sa MS Excel 2013, supported. Sa minor naman, yun naman yung flexible CSV export, view clone spreadsheet, new window, formatting of cells, import an unified office format, kung supported, samantala mo sa isa. Yeah, meron pa yan. Import, export from or to packet Excel, supported, rotate chart, supported, rotate yung sort. Import from generic, partial experimental support. Tapos yung iba, hindi na kadalasan iba, hindi na supported.
Selected chart. Hindi ko na
Ngayon, yung add points online, possibility Halimbawa,
Hindi pwede yun.
for export to XPS format, advanced final placer format, puro not supported sa mga extension, yung isang entire piece. Kumbaga malaki pa rin yung pagkakaiba ng sa Microsoft tsaka sa LibreOffice. Yan ang challenge. Challenge sa'yo yan,Inoy. Make a memo using LibreOffice rather than a document using LibreOffice calculator.
Or June na.
Ayan, basta migration niya ng LibreOffice is from June to December. Kumbaga, yung ano natin, migration niya, i-start natin June. Kaya meron akong na-install sa bawat computer kasi nga gagamitin na. Ayan. If questions, feel free to contact please. Thank you! And,
Yay!
tapos na, bawal na sa 11.
Eh kasi naman, madami. O may paano mo dito nilagay na may password?